some cookies. And I wanted to show you because I haven't posted a math video yet. So of course I've been doing math every day, so I want you to see. And if you like baking, even better. So I wanted to quickly show you my ingredients. So I have baking soda, oats, brown sugar, butter, flour, cinnamon, eggs, salt, vanilla, and chocolate chips. So some of these might look a little different than what you're used to because Finn is dairy free, so some things are different, like the butter is plant-based. The flour, you might just have regular flour, which you can use. This just happens to be gluten-free. And then the chocolate chips are dairy-free. So that's why I have them, and Finn's here to help me, right? So I wanted to just show you this recipe is an oatmeal chocolate chip cookie recipe. And
I love that.
he loves them. So the recipe I have is from my glutenfreekitchen.com. And typically when you look up dairy-free recipes, they're also gluten-free, just side note. But I wanted to show you, like, look at the cuppers that I have to get out. So I have 1/4 focus, 1/2, and 1 whole cup. So if you look at the sizes, hold on buddy, if you look at the sizes, this is what we've been looking at with fractions. So I thought, oh my goodness, I thought of you all, because remember I tell you, you will see this in real life. So we have the 1/4 cup and 1/2 and 1 cup. And so I want you to think about what are some equivalent fractions you could see with these.
So hey guys, look at this is really big, this is medium, this is short. So they can do.
Oh. So that alone Finn's showing that 1/4 could fit in 1/2 cup, and then 1/2 could fit in a whole cup. Here are some little measuring spoons, and we have 1/2 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon. So of course, how many of the green ones would fit in the blue one? So how many halves equal a whole? 2, you're right, so 2 greens would fit in the blue. We have a 1/2 tablespoon and 1 tablespoon, so it'd be the same, 2 halves equal a whole. So it seems funny because the blue and the yellow obviously are different colors, right? So why do 2 halves fit in each one if they're different sizes? Well, this is a 1/2 teaspoon. So if you tried to put 2 1/2 tablespoons in here, obviously it wouldn't work, right? So remember we talked about labeling. This is why it really matters to label, because if I try to put 2 of the reds, the 1/2 tablespoon and the 1 teaspoon, yes, this is a whole, but it's 1 whole teaspoon. So you need to make sure that you keep your labeling, whatever you're measuring with, right, the same. Otherwise it doesn't work out. Or 1 whole cup. Here's 1 whole cup. Here's 1 teaspoon and 1 tablespoon. So, whoops, gonna have to wash that. So 1 tablespoon is 1 whole tablespoon, but this is 1 whole cup. So yes, they're all 1 wholes, but it depends on what they are. So now in this bowl, I have 2 cups flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 3/4 teaspoon salt, and then a dash of cinnamon. So now you just whisk it together. It's hard to mix with only 1 hand. So I have a new helper now. Hey, take it easy. So I learned something new that I wanted to share with you. I was supposed to add 1 3/4 cup brown sugar, and I ran out after a cup. So I researched, and it says you can just substitute regular sugar for brown sugar. Brown sugar just has a little molasses in it. Wow, great job. Yeah, she likes to eat the chocolate chips. She cheats a little bit. And then I just have to add 2 eggs, and so then I'll mix all this up. And now I'll just throw everything in there. I have the wet ingredients, the dry ingredients, the 2 cups of oatmeal, and a heaping 1.5 cups of a couple different types of chocolate chips. And Anna is eating all the chocolate chips and doing her chocolate chip dance. Are those good? the ingredients are all mixed. I have this ice cream scooper like this, and then you have it like this, and make sure you pack it down so it doesn't all fall apart. And then I like to transfer it to a plate like this, and then you have all these same size cookies. And if you want to make them look really pretty, you can stick a couple chocolate chips right on the top, and then they look really pretty after they bake. And Anna's mad at me because I won't give her more chocolate chips. It's not yours. Hey, no more. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, those aren't for you. Hey. Or we have none with any on top. And while the cookies are in the fridge chilling, I set my oven to 350 and then have a pan ready, a cookie sheet.